All right, so today I'm about to try something new. So my girl went to New York and she left her steamer behind. And I'm kind of redecorating my room right now, so I'm putting some AJ1s right here. And I had a pair that I had bought a long time ago when I had my shop. And I remember they were in good condition, so I went and got them and I kind of touched them. And I was like, oh, they're still full, but they're about to get crunchy. I want to see if steaming it up and just kind of moisturizing it is going to help them out at all. So I'm going to try use this bad boy right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to turn this baby on. Okay. Got my little setup right here. Got my little, you know what I mean, my little light, the little Rode mic that my boy Blake got me. And of course the DJI. So we're going to start shooting real quick. My little studio setup. You know what I'm saying? Balla. Okay, so we're getting this shit warmed up. Bam. And I'm gonna turn on the other camera and then we're about to go there. Alright, laters. Alright, so now we're on this camera. Alright. Microphone's on. I'm gonna test out the microphone, see if y'all like that. So I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna show you, well, I'm gonna try to see how this shit works. Okay. Ready to go. Humidifies until the shit dries up, kind of like a, yeah, I think like a, what do you call those? So like to humidify your weed, they're called, it's with a B, I think. Can't remember the name, but there's these, it's Bovitas. You can put some Bovitas to moisturize your weed. I feel like, I wonder what it would be like if you were to put one in like a shoe and you put it in a Ziploc bag overnight. And check in the morning type shit, you know? I don't know, I feel like this is a lot softer. I'm gonna let it sit, see how it dries. I'll wash my hands because they're probably gross right now. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so just wanted to show you the results. I checked them out after letting them dry overnight. The colors are somewhat soft, but I have a feeling the top parts kind of stayed crispy. So I'm gonna try out that Bovita method and let you guys know. Later.